Last thing we have to do is wrap up the head, and now we're going to cover up some of our beautiful makeup work. Take a piece of tape and fix it to tape you've already wrapped around the back of the neck. And then go up and over the head. If you've ever seen people like with 19th century treatment for toothaches, think about the same thing here. Except we're gonna keep using different various wrapping techniques to slowly but surely cover up all the hairline. And some of these wraps are going to be going up over the top of the head, but not all of them. The goal is, of course, to keep most of the head uncovered, but not all of it. You're still going to have some wrappings which are going to come across the front of the head like so. So some of that makeup is going to get covered up. Not a lot, but definitely some. Because the idea of it is that the mummy is still largely wrapped in their head, but now some of the wrappings come undone. They're on the prowl. The big thing, which is important for the head, is to make sure that you make the wrapping thick enough. I've also seen some people will take a little piece and put it just a little bit across the nose, 1 or 2 wrappings through, because actually then you can still see the face somewhat. So this is again optional, but I kind of like it. It does a little bit of an additional effect, and will give more of an authentic feel to your mummy costume. When you're done wrapping the head, simply take it back down to the neck, wrap it around a couple of times, rip, and then tape.